Welcome back. We're going to continue with user management. User management is it can be a big component of your website, depends on what you're going to do, but I never use this a lot. I think I could achieve more potential with using this more, but this is just management from the this is just managing the users and roles you have. Okay, so when we add a new user, you fill out all the forms and you give them a role. And a role is a subscriber. You can only read on the front end. Shop manager, this is a leftover from the WooCommerce plugin, so you can manage the shop. You have customers. When you order stuff, people are assigned a role of customer, so they can log in into WordPress. You have moderators, you have spectators, key masters, contributors, auditors, editors, authors, administrators. So a lot of stuff you can do. So let's add a new user. Let's call him test. His email is required, so this email does not exist, but that doesn't matter. First name is Testy. Last name is, that's a really Dutch name. And the website we don't fill in. And let's give me a password. Yes, just make it simple. Beautiful password. Confirm user quick password. And let's give him the author role. Okay? Add new user. So its username is test123. Add new user. See, we have an author. I'm an administrator now. So log out and log back in. See, hey, I don't have the settings. I cannot add themes. I cannot add plugins. This is really annoying. I can't do anything. See, I just can write posts, add new posts. I can add media. I can see comments. But I cannot delete them, I cannot change them, I can only see them. Why? Because this is my role. My role is just to edit posts. As you can see now if you have a company with a lot of users, some people should write, some people should manage the site, you can change this very easily and restrict access to your website. So when we log out again, I'm going to log in as Patrick again. Now I have everything back. And through this, you can add roles, change roles. Just play with it a little and see what every role does. And yeah, it is powerful and you can make sure your website is safer. Not everybody can see passwords. Not everybody can change the site or make things worse or bad or anything. Just a very easy plugin. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next tools. We're going to talk about the tools and settings.